Hi guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can enable or disable show park locations in maps on the iPhone 13 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. On the home screen, tap on settings. In settings, go down and tap on maps. In maps, you want to swipe up to go down, and in here go to the Your Car section and tap on Show Park Location. Tap on the toggle button to switch it off or turn it on. Once it is turned on, it says that your parked car will be shown on the map if your location can be determined when parking. A connection to your car's Bluetooth or CarPlay stereo is required. And that's it. Now you can tap on the back key at the top to go back to settings, or you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.